Hi, this is Laura, and this is Healthy Science for first grade. This is lesson 1, It's Great to Be Me. In this lesson, this is the first of 5 lessons in the Healthy Science unit for first grade. In this lesson, you're going to be helping students understand how they are the same and how they are different by different characteristics. This part of the lesson, as well as other lessons throughout this unit, would be great alongside an All About Me unit and even as part of an All About Me unit. When you begin this lesson, you're going to be splitting the students up into groups by characteristics. You can first start with characteristics where the students are a little different, for example, by their hair color, by their eye color, by their favorite food, by the month in which they were born, and have them separate into different groups around the classroom. For the next part of this lesson, you can split them up into characteristics which they will all be the same. For example, all students that have 2 eyes can go into one corner of the room. So all of the students will find out that they all have 2 eyes and they'll all go to the corner of the room. You can also do this with number of fingers, ability to blink, ability to run. I would just advise at this part of the lesson to be really sensitive if there are students with disabilities or if there are students who are sensitive about some of their abilities. Make sure that everyone can participate in this part of the lesson. So just be aware of the things that you're choosing to group all of the students together. As a class, you can then make a list of all of the characteristics that were the same and all of the characteristics that were different. Once you're done making that list, you can move on to making your mini books. This is the first one that you're going to be making. It's called This Book is About Me. You can review this as the class, with the class, and you can even put up a word wall or a list of frequently used vocabulary words so that the students will have some help with some of the spelling, such as colors and some of the colors that they'll be using on the strip. You can also encourage them to use strategies that they've learned in their ELA, such as reading and writing strategies, sounding out words that they don't know. Once they are finished with this, you can call students up, and there's a portion that has them write how tall they are. You can use your tape measure, and you can measure how tall they are and have them recorded on their sheet of paper. Once they're finished with this, you're just going to fold it accordion style into a book. So you're basically just flipping it back and forth, making sure that the This Is About Me is on top the entire time. Once they're finished making their books, I would make sure that they keep these in their in-class folders or their cubbies, or you can collect them and keep them in a safe place because this is something they're going to use in lesson 5.